In the last few years, artificial intelligence has entered our lives faster than we ever imagined. It writes, it codes, it designs, it analyzes, and now it even
White-collar layoffs,
replaces.
with major companies like Amazon, UPS, and Target announcing cuts affecting thousands of corporate roles.
Roughly
In their
600
statements,
employees
companies
were cut
cited
from
in
Meta's
part
The
AI
roles in
units.
major hubs like
These weren't
Bengaluru,
random layoffs.
Hyderabad,
They came
and
AI was supposed to make our work easier, but somewhere along the way, it became a threat. But I wonder why. Why does AI want your job? We know that AI is super intelligent, smarter than humans in many areas than not. So, if it is that smart, then of all the places in the world where AI can be used, why is it so desperate to enter the corporate world? The corporate world is doing perfectly fine. The IT industry, in particular, is progressing at a great pace, with or without AI. But look around our society. There are places where progress is painfully slow. And honestly, it's not just slow, it's heartbreaking. Let me give you some context, a glimpse of the society that we live in. We live in a country where women still live with fear inside or outside their home. And every day,
जीबी
the
रोड
news
हमारी
reminds
संसद से
us
सिर्फ
why.
3 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है सर। यहाँ 90 ब्रॉथल्स हैं और हर दिन यहाँ 5,000 जो महिलाएं हैं उनके साथ कई बार शोषण होता है।
Child has been raped by 3 minors in northeast Delhi. This
नेशनल क्राइम रिकॉर्ड ब्यूरो के आंकड़े के मुताबिक सन 2000 से 2023 के बीच देश भर में 2,500 महिलाओं को डायन बताकर मार डाला गया, उनकी हत्या कर दी गई।
आरबी के आंकड़ों के मुताबिक भारत में 10 में से हर 3 महिला घरेलू हिंसा का शिकार होती है।
Our headlines are screaming of assault, exploitation, and harassment. But that's not the only problem haunting this society. Let's talk about healthcare.
पूरी की पूरी सबवे में मरीज भरे पड़े हैं। यहाँ आपको कुत्ते और इंसान दोनों साथ सोते नजर आ जाएंगे।
इस टनल का रास्ता जाता है देश के 2 सबसे बड़े हॉस्पिटल से।
मेरी रूह कांप जा रही है। अब इस बच्ची का अगर आप फेस देखेंगे, ये पूरी तरीके से इसका स्किन जो है बॉडी पे भी, इसके पैर पे देखिए।
And then there's the environment. Our children are growing up with inhalers instead of dreams.
Balasore, Talcher, and Baripara were among the worst affected.
This sacred site for religious rituals has become a dumping ground for waste. The Yamuna River is a holy site to millions, but it also supplies roughly 40% of Delhi's water, and it's covered with toxic foam, currently too contaminated.
And beyond all of this, millions in this country still do not have access to basic amenities.
स्कूल नहीं है, स्कूल ही नहीं है, लड़का नहीं पढ़ता नहीं। आंगनवाड़ी है, नहीं है, आंगनवाड़ी को नहीं है। अस्पताल को नहीं है, नहीं। बिजली को नहीं है, बिजली भी नहीं है।
These are not futuristic problems. They are basic human problems that millions of Indians are facing right now. I'm not trying to give an anti-AI message here. This is just a question of direction. I'm just imagining if the same urgency used to automate a corporate workflow was used to predict crimes before they happen, to allocate hospital beds efficiently, to detect food adulteration in real time, to monitor pollution before it poisons a generation, to ensure no child is denied education. Imagine if the headlines read, AI saves 1 million lives, AI cleans an entire river system, AI makes cities safer for women. That's the future I want to hear about. Because the true measure of intelligence is not how efficiently it replaces humans, but how compassionately it serves them. Because intelligence by itself is not wisdom, power by itself is not purpose. We created AI, it reflects our priorities. And if the first thing it replaces is livelihoods instead of lifting lives, then maybe the problem isn't the machine. Maybe it's us. So the question isn't, will AI take your job? The real question is, where will we choose to use it? To maximize profit or to maximize humanity? AI is a beautiful technology, but beauty without purpose is just noise. Let's not build a smarter world that forgets to become a better one.